Hi, I'm Chef Scott at Fat Paulie's here in Lake Ozarks, Missouri. We opened in May 2018, family-owned resort and restaurant. We're located at the Lodge at Port Arrowhead here on Bagnell Dam Boulevard. So we have a pretty wide variety of food items on our menu, something for all the family members. We have live entertainment Tuesday through Saturday. We have a great lake view. We have an indoor pool and an outdoor pool. So today on my favorite dish, we're gonna make the Fat Paulie burger, which is a loaded burger that we actually deep fry. So we're gonna go back in the kitchen and make it. Now that we're back in the kitchen, we'll start making this Fat Paulie burger. We start with our 8-ounce CAB patty that we season. Throw it right on the flat top. While that's cooking, we hollow out a bun, which then we load with ingredients. In the Fat Paulie burger, you get American pepper jack cheese, lettuce, tomato, jalapenos, onions, and our spicy Fat Paulie sauce. Now this is where stuff gets fun and interesting. Now that we have the completely assembled Fat Paulie burger, it's time for the fun part. Let's fry it. When it's about halfway, I'll take these picks out. Just gonna let it drain for a sec to get a little of the extra grease off. Now that we have finished our Fat Paulie burger, you can see it's a perfect medium. Comes with our house-made bread and butter pickle chips, sweet potato fries. So this is the deep fried Fat Paulie burger, and this is my favorite dish.